Mabuhay and welcome again to another unboxing video. And today we've got this, the 2020 Subaru Forester GT Edition, and of course, we're gonna see what it's all about. First, let's start out with the exterior. And of course, we have to start with the front. You've got the standard LED DRLs, you've got the standard LED headlamps with an auto levelizer, and you've got standard LED fog lamps. But this being the GT Edition, what you get is an extended front bumper lip, which actually extends all the way around the car, which we'll show you later on. Over here at the side, you get turn light indicators, you've got roof rails, and that front extension I was talking about in the front bumper earlier on carries on over here to the side as a side skirt. And Subaru claims that these 18-inch alloy wheels are bespoke to the GT Edition. Now let's go check out the back. Over here at the back, you've got the extended front bumper lip, and side skirt has translated into an extended rear bumper lip. You've also got a shark's fin antenna and a spoiler, which is bespoke to the GT Edition. Now, that's the exterior done. Let's go and check out the inside and see what they've done in there. This being a Subaru, as you'd expect, everything is driver-centric. You've got the controls where you need them to be. You've got multiple display screens showing you all the information about the car. You've got the X-Mode terrain control. And you've got, of course, the Subaru EyeSight, which acts like an extra pair of eyes to help you out on the road. But this being the GT Edition, you get these newly designed leather upholstery, which Subaru claims is inspired by high-end performance Grand Tourers from Europe. Also, you've got this new generation display screen, which is now Apple CarPlay and Android Auto capable. But lastly, you also get this nice panoramic sunroof to, of course, let a little more light in. Yes, the GT Edition may be purely aesthetic, but Subaru has done enough on the inside and the outside to make it truly unique. And if that's something you like, then this may be the car for you. Now, if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel below. Please don't forget to like us and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and on Twitter. This has been Pablo Salvatano of AutoIndustriya. Paalam!